Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing meal planning by providing personalized suggestions based on dietary needs and preferences. Its advanced algorithms streamline grocery shopping by creating optimized lists and minimizing waste, ultimately helping individuals maintain a healthier diet effortlessly and saving precious time in their busy lives. Understanding your nutritional needs is crucial for maintaining health and well-being. Factors such as age, activity level, and dietary restrictions dictate your specific requirements. Tailoring your diet based on these elements ensures you receive the right balance of nutrients necessary for optimal energy and overall health. AI meal planning tools are designed to simplify meal preparation by creating personalized meal plans based on your tastes, dietary preferences, and weekly schedule. These applications analyze your inputs to suggest recipes, ensuring a diverse and balanced diet while saving time on decision-making and grocery shopping. AI plays a vital role in creating balanced meal plans by analyzing recipes for their nutritional content. It ensures that each meal includes the right proportion of proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins, promoting optimal health. This intelligent approach helps individuals achieve better nutrition while enjoying diverse and flavorful meals. AI streamlines grocery shopping by automatically generating grocery lists based on your meal plans. This feature eliminates the guesswork involved in shopping, ensuring you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. It saves time and reduces stress, making the entire shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable. AI meal planning plays a significant role in reducing food waste by suggesting recipes that creatively utilize leftover ingredients from previous meals. This intelligent approach not only stimulates culinary creativity but also ensures that perishable items are consumed, leading to a more sustainable and eco-friendly kitchen practice. AI enhances time management by analyzing your daily schedule to suggest optimal meal prep times. By identifying when you have free moments, it enables you to plan and prepare meals efficiently, ultimately saving hours each week. This ensures you enjoy nutritious home-cooked meals without compromising your busy lifestyle. AI simplifies healthy eating by providing easy-to-prepare recipes that align with your dietary goals. By offering a wealth of nutritious options that require minimal effort, AI encourages healthier eating habits. This approach removes the obstacles associated with meal preparation, making it straightforward to incorporate wholesome foods into your routine. In conclusion, we encourage you to explore AI meal planning tools for a healthier lifestyle. Share your experiences with these innovative solutions that simplify meal prep and grocery shopping. By integrating AI into your routine, you empower yourself to make informed dietary choices and enjoy nutritious meals effortlessly.